I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, the inner glow that let you know to call your brother son. The story that just begun, the promise of what's to come. And I'ma remain a soldier till the war is won.
I just woke up. Actually, I've been up for a little bit, but everybody else is kind of still asleep. We're supposed to be going to Blizzard Beach again today, so this is day 5. Yeah, it's day 5. I'm losing track. But yeah, this week at Florida is actually going by really quick, and it has been an amazing experience. So yeah, yeah, we're gonna try Blizzard Beach again. Hopefully, it doesn't rain. We see the sun again, but still barely any blue sky. But hopefully I could document. I might not document too much today because y'all already seen most of Blizzard Beach. I already took y'all through most of it before it started raining and lightning and all that. We're gonna try to get there early, but we might get some breakfast early too, so we don't have to eat there. Me personally, I don't really need no food. Like, I don't know why. I'm actually really full from last night, but no care, watch me still eat something anyway. We was in the pool last night though, you feel me? We had so much fun, bro, I'm telling you. Look how wet it still is. I got the goggles still over there, the water gun, the ball. Yeah, we had fun last night, like for real. Alright, we just getting breakfast right now at this one spot. I don't know where it is though. What is this made up again?
Huh?
What is this made up again? Oh, thank you. What is this made up again?
Watermelon, pineapple, lime, and mint.
Okay. I think food just came in too, y'all. We got this omelet right here. It's different than what I usually get though.
It looked a little lighter than y'all.
But it look nice though. This pop was actually alright. It wasn't the best, but it was something to hold us till we go to the beach. Well, Blizzard Beach, but Blizzard Beach will open up until like a good hour. So we got some time to kill. I don't know what we're gonna do though. We'll be in Burlington right now. We in the underwear and sock section of it. I'm not really gonna get now, but we in because other people want to get in here. So see over here. I do like these socks right here. NBA socks. And they only $7.99 too. I ain't gonna get none. And Adidas. Okay, now we actually got some good weather today here at Pleasant Beach. The sun is out. This is the most sun we've seen in a minute. Like, this Blizzard Beach right there. We got all our tickets. We got all our wallets, I hope. And hopefully we can get this day back. For real. Okay, now this right here. This is definitely some weather. We got the sun is fully out right now. Remember that the rain could possibly come at like 2. So you never know, we might have to leave early. I hope not. I pray to God that stays away, but oh man, I can't wait. Okay, so I think that people are gonna recognize me, or at least the workers recognize me, because they remember me recording and all this stuff. So, yeah, there they go. Everybody is so nice. Look at that. But look at that. All the sun is out. Look at the scenery. Look at the scenery next to there. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at Goofy. That's the first character we've seen. Look at that. I didn't even notice that. Bruh, we have literally gotten on almost every ride. Almost every ride. We went all the way up to that one, the tallest one, as y'all can see. We went all the way to, what's it called? We went all around the entire resort with the little river thing. I don't know if you can see it. That was amazing. That was so fun and relaxing. We went up the purple slope, red slope, green slope. If y'all can't tell what that is. Purple slope is a bunch, purple and red slope, bunch of rides that way. Green slope, a few rides that way. And we went up through there, bro. We went everywhere. Now we're taking a break right now. You know what I'm saying? I think Blizzard Beach actually shuts down at, what's it called? 6 o'clock, I believe. I don't know. Somewhere around there, right? But we're finna walk over here. That's the wave pool. The wave pool is actually pretty dope. I haven't been in there completely just yet, but oh my god, I can't wait to go over there. Let's see what these funnel cakes right here, and there's the wave pool. Everybody's just chilling here, you know. It's actually pretty dope. See the coffee and tea. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. That is so dope. Look at that. Bro, look at this bad boy. This thing is nice. Oh my goodness. I really can't wait to eat this. I really can't wait. How's it doing? As y'all can see, look at this. The sugar is just blowing like crazy. Oh god. Whoa! There was a thick fly that just tried to attack my food, bro. And attack his food too. Oh god. You like it?
No, I'm saying.
As y'all can see, the wind blew all of the sugar on my body. If you don't mind sharing. I'm throw it with you.
Oh yeah.
But this snow, I mean not snow, but this sugar blew all over me, man. That was fun. That was incredible. That experience was so much fun, bro. Oh god. Alright, let me tell y'all. We literally went almost everywhere. You know what I'm saying? We literally went almost everywhere. The wave pool that I showed y'all the other day, we went there. Yeah, we stayed there for it took about an hour. That funnel cake was fantastic. I really wish I could have documented much more of it. But, you know, unfortunately, I don't have the Amazon case to protect my phone from water. I would have showed everything. I mean everything. But, unfortunately, you know, everybody's in the shower right now. Well, not the shower, but the bathroom. That was amazing. That was really so much fun. I don't know what we're going to do next. I really don't. I think we're done getting something to eat. I might just document the rest of the stuff at the house. But, bro, look. Every single part of Disney World is dope. Oh, wow. Alright, so it's 6 o'clock. Well, no, it's not 6 o'clock. It's 5:32 right now. The mall's gonna, not the mall, but Blizzard Beach is gonna close at 6 o'clock. And yeah, we're about to head out right now. And my goodness, yo, this day was fantastic. The day was amazing. Everybody's leaving, as you can see. As you can see, people are coming with it. Some people are, I guess, coming to do something. I just got a little towel on and everything like that, you know. But that day was fantastic. I guess we really finna go back to the house. I'm still not sure what we're finna do, but you guys will see either way. Oh wow. Everybody here seems so nice too, so much hospitality. The lifeguards are actually really helpful. Well, duh, but it was amazing. Hopefully I get to come back again pretty soon, but honestly, I'm ready to go home at this point. I'm really tired. Like, for real. Alright, now, we're actually at home now, right? We are just chilling. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna walk around, just see the scenery right quick, you know? That's what we're finna do. You know, just for a little bit, you know? We're probably just gonna have to head back anyway. This is actually a good little view of, what's it called, the street and stuff like that. There's not really much else we're gonna do today, to be real. But, go walk around a little bit. Y'all can actually see where's the street. You feel me? How the other houses look in the neighborhood. It's not really much, you know? We're in a nice little gated community. You feel me? But, yeah. As you can see down here, we got this little light. And we got another light. And now we're getting into a different kind of territory down here. You know, I figured since there wasn't really much new to really show y'all at Blizzard Beach, I could really just show y'all the neighborhood we're kind of staying in. You know? It's actually pretty nice, you know? Well, not pretty nice, it is nice. I mean, I just got done eating my snack. Man, look how big the houses are, though. As you can see, these houses are really fresh. Look at that down there. Very wide, too. Like, these beach houses actually just look so dope, to be real. Like, for real. Like, the palm trees actually really kind of help it out even more. Like, the palm trees don't really kind of, like, you don't see those every day where I'm at, to be real. And to see them here is actually pretty nice, to be honest with you. Look down there. And I think it might be a cul-de-sac up here. It might end up here, I'm not sure. Alright, our night is going to end a little bit early. I really do wish I could have showed y'all a little bit more, but I really couldn't. But yeah, this day was actually pretty dope. Tomorrow we got Universal Studios. Now tomorrow is going to be much more extravagant. You feel me? Like, or at least I'm gonna show y'all much more stuff. Like today, a lot of stuff happened, but I wasn't able to show y'all because, like I did say, I don't have anything to protect my phone in case it drops or it gets too wet. And this is the main source of all this. So, you know, the Blizzard Beach video from day 3, that really give you more of an in-depth video of what I could show you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm gonna have to see y'all tomorrow. Universal Studios is gonna be dope. I'm gonna show you as much as I can, and I promise I will try. If I can't, I'll let you know. And we're gonna have a nice little early night tonight. It's a nice change of pace. Yeah.